Hey guys, make sure to stay until the end. If you make one common mistake, you may end up spending thousands of dollars on tools, parts and diagnostics that you may actually not even need. Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a BMW X3, X4, that generation here from year 2010 to year 2018. If you need to find where the water pump, electric water pump, fuses and relays are located, where you can find them, where you can guys buy cheap parts, tools, fuses, relays at a good price, quick shipping, that way do not waste money and time. Why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. All that guys will be covered absolutely free for your convenience. Please make sure to stay until the end. So before we start guys, let us tell you a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We take them completely apart, we show you how to fix engines, transmissions, engine codes, fuses, bodywork, a little bit of everything. Why we guys do that? Because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these absolutely free videos for you. And guys, if you need to buy any parts, tools at a good price, quick shipping, that way do not waste money and time, we're going to put links in the description of the video below for your convenience. Check it out, that way do not waste your money guys. Also, we will have more than 14,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels. Check them out guys. We'll have videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs as well. So let's start on it now. So guys, this BMW has many hidden fuse boxes that most people do not know that they even exist. You have up to 5 or 6 different fuse boxes, and for many of you, okay, some of those are special fuse boxes, kind of like this one here. If you don't know about them guys, we'll recommend to check out the video on our YouTube channel about fuse box location on BMW X3, X4. Check it out, it can save you thousands of dollars in repairs. So for the water pump, which fuses and relays you need to check, we will demonstrate on this BMW right here guys. BMW X3 and X4, they're built on the same platform, so it should work for both. Now guys, we'll check multiple fuses in multiple fuse boxes, and the first one that we need to check, we need to open the passenger door. Now that's your glove box. Open it, remove everything out of the glove box. In the very back on the right side you have a cover, press that tab, pull that cover out. Behind it you have that fuse box with a layout like this one here. Before we continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. So let us tell you guys why it's super important to test fuses and relays. Fuses guys sometimes are really hard to know if they're burnt or not. For instance, I'm going to pull one fuse here, okay, and sometimes you cannot clearly see if they're good, they're bad. And let's say you think you have a good fuse, you put it back in and you end up having problems again, and you spend time, money, you buy parts, diagnostics, you pay for services that you don't need guys. You practically wasted your money. So all you have to do check your fuses, that way you don't waste money guys. So always test your fuses, even if you think it's good, always test it. It even happened to us guys, okay, and we work on cars all the time. Another thing, always test your relays. They're a little bit harder to test, but if you want to see guys how to test fuse relays, we will put a link in the description of the video below. But we've seen so many customers that think that they have a good fuse, they put it back in, they waste their money on parts and diagnostic that they practically guys do not need. So check out the link in the description of the video below how to test the fuse and how to test the relay as well. So guys, here what we need to check, one fuse that's known as engine management fuse, and that's fuse number 35. It's that 15M fuse that you see here. Then you need to come to the trunk. On the side, that cover will need to be removed. Then leave that insulation. Behind it you have another fuse box. Here you need to check guys, up to 3 fuses. You may not have all of them, you may have some of them depending on which year, model and engine you have. But one of the fuses, if you have it, it's 131 right here that you need to check, and fuse 132, 131, 132. Then check fuse 143 right there. Now where we're going now, it's extremely hidden guys. Open the hood. Here by the windshield, that cover will need to be removed. For any of you that want to see how to do that, we have a video that's called BMW X3, X4 fuse box location and diagram. Once you remove that cover, that's your brake fluid reservoir. You see that white cover needs to be removed. Pull the clip, and behind that white cover you have that integrated power supply module. If you remove it, it looks like this one. Now this thing guys, if something goes bad, you're supposed to just replace it. But we'll have a video how to open it, and if you open it you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 fuses and 3 relays. You need to check these relays, but guys, okay, this fuse right here, these 2 fuses most likely will be the ones that will need to be checked for a water pump, also known as coolant pump or antifreeze pump. Those will be the relays that you will need to check, but most likely you have only a fuse specifically for the water pump function. So guys, if you need to buy parts, tools, fuses, relays for your BMW at a good price, quick shipping, guys, we're going to put a link in the description of the video below where you can get them from, because we have very specific fuses, especially these little fuse boxes, guys. Those could be really hard to find. You can see like the one right here as well, guys, and we'll put a link in the description of the video below where you can get them at a good price, quick shipping as well. Hopefully guys the video will be helpful. If you have any questions, let us know. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.